Ladies and gentlemen, today we have the new AirPods 3rd generation in the studio for an unboxing and a review. Now, the 3rd generation AirPods fall in between Apple's AirPod lineup. They're above the basic AirPods, but they're right below the AirPod Pros. With these ones, you're getting spatial audio from the AirPod Pros, and you're getting the longest battery life, coming in at 6 hours, which beats both other versions. However, you are not getting the active noise cancellation or the transparency modes that you're getting with the AirPod Pros. Now, if you guys are buying these for the spatial audio, and we're going to be testing it out today, you need to make sure that you have a device that is compatible to provide spatial audio to these AirPods. I'm also going to put them in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you don't have those devices or the latest models, then you're better off trying to upgrade your device than get these AirPods. So let's get on with the unboxing. So we got the classic Apple strippers. Very nice. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Get this out of the way. And here we go. Oh, this is bite size. This is real proper bite size. We've done a lot of these Bluetooth earphones on this channel. I have to say that this might be the smallest case. This case might be smaller than the Buds too. Listen, that's nice. I'm just gonna put that off to the side. Anything else we get in here? Whoa, the whole thing pops, so you gotta remember, if you want your cable, you have to pop the whole thing out, and then you have your cable. So this is your classic Apple charging cable with a USB-C on the other end to charge. That's it, so nothing else in here. Now let's go on to the manual. What do we get? AirPods, all that garbage out to the side. We don't need that. Talk about fit first. Oh, these are very tiny, but they fit amazing. This is one of the best fitting earphones I have ever had. I've had the Buds, I've had the Beats Buds, I've had all of them. These fit literally the best. I love that fit. The AirPod 3rd generations are much more comfortable than the AirPod Pros, I will say that. So if you're looking for the best comfort, these are better than the basic, and honestly, they're more comfortable than the AirPod Pros as well. Alright, and just like that, we have the AirPods connected to the iPad. So here on the AirPods, you're getting this little ridge, which basically allows you to have different sorts of operations right from the AirPods themselves. A single tap is going to play or pause whatever your media you're engaging in. Double tapping it is going to move it forward, and triple tapping it is going to skip backwards. So those are the operations and controls you have on the earbuds themselves or earphones. But let's go ahead and take a look at how this sounds. So currently I am testing the spatial audio. What? My nose is running. Ow. That's all I got to say about the spatial audio. That's it. Wow. If you're gonna buy these AirPods, you need to be buying them with spatial audio in mind. You're going to just get hooked on it. Now, not all apps support spatial audio at this time. However, you're just gonna enjoy it so much because it is really just awesome to be able to use it. Even though there's no transparency mode or noise cancellation mode, the spatial audio kind of honestly, it makes up for it. It just sounds absolutely amazing. I wonder how good you guys can hear it. Mexicano, working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving off from Ferragamo. Get the lumber, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers and remain humble. Top time punches, I'm so used to this. Smoking at the pound, I'm so used to this. I know where I'm from, but I got used to this. Mansion in the hills, I got used to this. Now, one thing you'll notice is that there's a little mesh out, like this little black mesh that's outside of the actual earbud itself. That's not for necessarily active noise cancellation, but that's more so to block out the breeze when you're on a phone call. So don't get that mixed up. This isn't for noise cancellation or active noise cancellation. This is just to block breeze and wind noise when you're on a call. Other than that though, they still feature the same sweat and a little bit of water resistance. Still have a pretty fast charge time, and of course, like I said, 6 hours of battery, so that is an advantage to these ones over the other AirPods. They do have a longer battery life. Currently, these may be my favorite Bluetooth earbuds just because they're extremely comfortable to have in your ear. They sound amazing, and like they're very, very comfortable. They're also, well, they are kind of like noticeable, I guess. It's not entirely quiet. The one difficult thing about these is that the spatial audio feature is an absolute blast. I can't wait until more apps start featuring this and have that compatibility, because it's a ton of fun to use and it really makes for a new experience, a more cinematic experience. I do really like the AirPod 3rd generations, and I like them more than the AirPod Pros as well as the basic AirPods. I haven't tested the AirPod Max, but I mean, I honestly don't even consider those to be, they're not earphones, right? They're not Bluetooth earphones. I would highly recommend, if you're in the market for AirPods and you want, you know, mid-tier sort of best for your money, the AirPod 3rd generation is really right there for you, and I think that's what Apple is kind of aiming for as well, is that mid-tier user, a more economic option to get some of the latest features, which is like, you know, spatial audio, but you want to have a little bit more comfort as well, and you don't want to go full out basic. I think these are absolutely amazing. They're super light as well, like I can't even feel it. I love them.